Have you ever gazed upon the night sky and wondered if we're truly alone in the universe? This age-old question has captivated mankind for centuries, and it seems we're not the only ones intrigued. Recently, the US Congress has turned its attention to the enigma of extraterrestrial life, holding its first UFO hearing in half a century. A newfound interest has been kindled, fueled by sightings of unidentified aerial phenomena, or UAPs, and whispers of non-terrestrial origins. But before we delve into the Congress hearing, let's journey through recent events that sparked this newfound interest. The winds of change are blowing, and they carry with them a shift in public perception about unidentified aerial phenomena, or UAPs. We are embarking on a journey into the unknown, a journey that began with some intriguing events that led us to this point. Let's rewind a little. The US military released combat drone footage of what appeared to be a silver orb, a mysterious object that sparked curiosity and speculation. But the Pentagon was quick to state that there was no evidence of extraterrestrial activity, a stance that has been maintained despite the increasing number of reported UAP sightings. Meanwhile, the Pentagon was not sitting idle. They committed to a thorough investigation of these phenomena, launching a task force to catalogue the instances of UAP sightings. This marked a significant departure from the past. Gone were the days of deflecting and debunking. A new era was dawning, one of open investigation and earnest inquiry. Over 400 cases were catalogued, each one a piece of the puzzle, a breadcrumb on the trail to understanding these aerial enigmas. The task force was renamed the Airborne Object Identification and Management Synchronization Group, a name that reflected its serious and dedicated purpose. The shift was palpable. The US government was no longer dismissing these sightings as flights of fancy or products of overactive imaginations. The stigma associated with reporting UAPs was being dismantled. The pilots, once hesitant, were now encouraged to come forward with their observations. As the veil of secrecy began to lift, a whistleblower emerged from the shadows. Enter David Grush, a former intelligence officer turned UFO whistleblower. Grush is no stranger to intrigue and secrecy, having navigated the shadowy corridors of power during his time in intelligence. But it's his post-career revelations that have truly sent shockwaves through the community. Grush alleges the existence of a clandestine government program tasked with recovering non-human biologics from crashed UFOs. In his own words, people with direct knowledge of this program have confided in him, painting a picture of a government scrambling to understand and control technologies beyond our current comprehension. But this is not where Grush's claims end. He goes further, implicating the Vatican in a worldwide UFO cover-up. According to Grush, the Catholic Church is not just aware of the existence of non-human intelligence on Earth, it's actively participating in its concealment. Of course, these claims have been met with skepticism. The Department of Defense denies such a program exists, and the Vatican remains ominously silent. Yet Grush stands by his assertions, undeterred by the controversy they've stirred. With such explosive claims, the stage was set for a congressional hearing unlike any other. The hallowed halls of Congress were abuzz as the first UFO hearings in half a century commenced. A gathering of minds, a collective curiosity, a shared sense of intrigue, all focused on the enigma of unidentified aerial phenomena, or UAPs as they are more commonly known. The stage was set for a historic discourse on a subject that has been the source of countless conjectures and theories. Two senior defense intelligence officials, Ronald Moultrie and Scott Bray, took the stand, their testimonies echoing through the Grand Assembly. They spoke of the Pentagon's commitment to the investigation of UAPs, their words painting a picture of a government that was no longer willing to dismiss these phenomena as mere flights of fancy. They revealed a task force that had catalogued over 400 cases, a testament to the sheer volume of these inexplicable occurrences. The focus, they emphasized, was on national security threats, a sobering reminder of the potential implications of these encounters. Yet they also encouraged pilots to come forward with their observations, a clear signal of intent to dispel the stigma associated with UAP sightings. But the hearing was not without its controversy. Enter David Grush, the whistleblower, his claims as startling as they were audacious. He spoke of evidence of alien life, of non-human biologics recovered from crashed UFOs. His testimony, though unsubstantiated, added another layer of intrigue to the proceedings, a tantalizing possibility that kept the mystery alive. Yet for all the revelations and claims, the hearing was not a conclusion but a beginning, a starting point for a deeper exploration, a more thorough investigation into the unknown. It was a recognition of the need for answers, an acknowledgement of the enduring questions that surround UAPs. As the gavel fell, it was clear that the search for answers had only just begun. In the aftermath of the hearing, the question still remains, are we alone in the universe? We've seen a seismic shift in public perception with a renewed interest and seriousness in examining unidentified aerial phenomena. We've met David Grush, a whistleblower who dared to challenge the status quo with claims that, if true, would alter our understanding of life itself. We've delved into the intriguing discussions of the Congressional hearing, where the existence of 400 cases of unexplained aerial phenomena was confirmed. Yet the origins remain as elusive as ever. As we continue to gaze upon the night sky, we can only wonder what mysteries the universe holds and what revelations the future may bring.